I'm about to head out to deer camp. My buddy Cameron's already there, and a few other people, so we're just gonna head out. Alright guys, I made it to camp. We are here. Here's our, oh that's my car. Here's our camp. I have to set up my tent. So everyone else is out there already on the deer stands. I obviously am late, so I gotta make sure I get everything going, and then we can head out. Alright. Pretty much got everything. Anything and everything someone can do. Alright. My Badlands pack. I'm filling up the bladder right now. I'm taking my Badlands Bino case. Yep. These things are great, guys. You guys really need to check these out. Badlands makes a great product. This one's called the Bino X. You can see it right there. And the bag's called the Diablo Dose. I literally can fit, oh, I forgot I had that in there. I literally can fit, like, I mean, way more gear than I need, but you never know. Guys, let's see how this it's actually not that bad. I'm up on a tree stand. I'm actually on a cypress tree, and I'll show you guys what we're working with here in a second. If you're hunting anywhere with mosquitoes, make sure you bring your thermos up. This thing is probably one of the best. One of the best. See that mosquito right there? Look at that sucker. I just turned the thermocell on because there was like a million of those on me earlier. And I mean, it doesn't completely take them away, but one every 4 minutes is better than 100 of them. Let me show you guys what we're working with here. I got my rifle right here on the tree stand. I wanted to go higher, but there's so many trees right here. The higher I get, the more branches. So I'm hoping that that opening, something comes up. Even over there. Or over there. For those that are just recently starting to follow my channel, I moved down here from Utah. So this tree stand stuff is pretty new to me. This is the second time I've hunted out of a tree stand. Tell you what, it's boring. It's real boring. It's effective, I guess, but boring. I feel like I should just get down and walk. What happens is day one out of a 4-day hunt. So let's see what happens. Look at that. Want to zoom in on it?
Mm-hmm.
Nope. What's up, everybody? So, it's day 2 of my hunt. Day 2. And it's the evening hunt. We didn't see anything this morning. It's looking pretty dead today. This is just how public land in Florida works, man. Sometimes you get something, sometimes you don't. My God. We leave tomorrow after we're gonna try in the morning tomorrow. So if I don't get nothing tonight, this is my last morning hunt. Oh no, this would be my last evening hunt. And yeah. Look how beautiful the colors. It's like everything's changing. And it's cool because you got a lot of pine, you got oaks, you got maples, you got cabbage palms, you got palmettos, you got ferns. Yep. I keep hearing stuff moving around in that area. Well, unfortunately, I ended up coming home empty-handed. But that's just the risk you have to take when you're hunting public lands. But I still was able to enjoy the outdoors with friends and these beautiful views. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this episode. Until next time, this is Angelo with Outdoor Kings.